Console. Almost everything in Sunlight Suite 2 can be controlled from a MIDI or DMX controller and the Easy Remote application. Controlling Suite 2 with one of these devices can be done in 3 steps. Build your console using the console editor. See the console editor tutorial for more information. Load your console into Suite 2 and learn the commands from your MIDI, DMX or Easy Remote controller. Pair each command on the console with almost any command in Suite 2. In this tutorial, we will be using a Behringer BCF2000 MIDI controller. We need to tell the software which MIDI or DMX port to read from. This can be done in the software preferences. The next step is to map each dial, button and fader from your controller to components on the console. Some of the default consoles are pre-mapped. Open the console window and choose your console from the list. Right-click a component, select the Setup tab and either enter the parameters in yourself or select Auto Setup MIDI and move the corresponding fader, dial, button on your controller to auto-learn a MIDI control. You can view each command and the corresponding fader by clicking here. You can also quickly auto-learn all MIDI commands by clicking here, learning the command, then pressing Next. Let's assign a command from the console to the circle scene. Shift and right-click the scene and select Link to Console. If you do not have a MIDI controller connected, or if you are using a DMX controller or Easy Remote app, select Click on the console window and select the relevant button inside the console window. Now let's assign one of the console faders to control the speed of the pattern. One command on the controller can be used to activate a variety of different commands within the software. For example, you could assign a fader to control the speed of several movement buttons. Right-click on the console to edit a command. We can select the command we want to edit here. Here we can set a minimum and maximum value to trigger the command. In this example, when the value reaches 47, the sequence will be at maximum speed. The console can also be used to control parts of the button editor. Here we have Fader 8 linked to the EasyTime Zoom.